rolling pastures of northern Shropshire is the town of Wem. Nearby Foxhall's farm sits in 3.5 acres of land, bought at auction by locals Russell Edwards and Nadia Smith in 2012.
We looked around it. I think we were here for about, what, 2 minutes, and you said...
Yeah, this will do.
Yeah, if we can get the money for this, let's buy it.
Yeah.
They secured a mortgage of £132,000 based on the land value of Foxhall's farm and their joint earnings. They then gathered all their savings and went to the auction armed with a maximum £220,000 to bid with. Thankfully, it was just enough.
It ended up with me at the most amount that I got at the highest price, and then everything went quiet.
First time, second time, third and final time for £220,000.
As soon as the hammer went down, it was a relief then, yeah. It was all, well, it was happy
You
to start
started breathing
with.
again.
Yeah.
I cried.
I was a nervous wreck in there.
This is their opportunity to create a family home in the countryside they grew up in. I'm here to help, encourage and advise these restoration novices on their journey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
So lovely to meet you. You're in a beautiful part of the world.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You are mega lucky. But then you've taken this on. What on earth have you done?
Oh, I know.
We jumped in at the deep end, haven't we?
Have you done anything like this before?
No.
No.
Never.
No. It's got a lot of character, this place.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
That's what we
we think it is.
stupidly fell in love with.
No, it's good. I think it's a brave step to take on something like this because even though on the face of it you think, well, you know, the windows are a bit knackered, the brickwork's a little bit tired here and there, but at first impressions you think, well, it's not too bad. Is that,
Until
is
you
that
go
fair
inside.
Wow, yeah. And everything's twice as bad as you thought it was.
Should we go inside and have a look?
Yeah.
I'll lead the way, is that right? Should we just go through the front door? Is that the sensible way to get in?
Foxhall's farm is a Grade 2 listed 2-storey brick-fronted house, approximately 2,000 square feet, with a kitchen, scullery and 2 reception rooms on the ground floor, and 3 small bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. Unlived in, it's lain derelict and open to the elements for 10 years.
This is home sweet home now, is it? Yeah. Oh my word.
What do you think?
Crikey. I mean, it's in a bit of a state. Yeah. I'm actually struggling for words because I wasn't expecting it to be this bad.
No, yeah.
You've got your work cut out.
Yes. Just needs a bit of love.
Clean it up and put it back in.
I think it needs a lot of love, not a bit.
Yeah.
It needs a lot.
Bucket loads.
Yeah.
Bucket loads of the stuff. Skip loads of it would do, actually.
Yeah.
There isn't even a back of the building.
No.
No.
Oh my God, look at that. Crikey. I wasn't expecting to see that at all.
No.
It's a bit of a surprise, isn't it? From the front, you just don't know, and then you come to the back and there you go.
Well, it couldn't be more different, could it, in terms of the construction, what it's made out of, what it looks like, how it's built. I mean, it's a complete contrast to the front in every way, shape and form. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to be a timber frame.
No, we don't understand really ourselves why it's a timber frame.
Are you going to be sticking to the principles of the original building and restoring it back to what it was, or are you going to, I don't know, you're going to breathe 21st century new life into it? What's your approach to restoration?
We want to keep it as it should be, don't we? We
Yeah.
want to restore it as it should have been.
Is that something that you might get a bit obsessive about? You know, you're so passionate about this old building. You're going to get down to the nitty-gritty detail. It's got to be like that. Yeah. That's how they would have done it a few hundred years ago.
We're starting to a little bit, aren't we, Russ?
You get restoration man fever.
Yeah.
Restoration man fever, you make it sound like a really terrible illness.
Yeah, you're like, well, I can't chuck that away because it's old.
There might be a treatment for that somewhere.
Yeah.
Can we go around and see the rest of it? Should we go upstairs?
Yeah.
Best way?
Up the makeshift ladder.